Listen up, guys, because I just found something crazy. A way to create ultra-realistic ads using Higgsfield Marketing Studio. And I'm not talking about basic AI videos either. These actually look like high-budget commercials made by a professional production team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full step-by-step process of how to create these ads from scratch, show you the prompts I used, and break down how to make your results look way more realistic and cinematic. So if you want to create insane AI ads for content, clients, or your own brand, this video is definitely for you. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's dive in. So this right here is the AI tool, and from the get-go, you can see that there's truly lots and lots of things you can do with this AI tool. If you look over here, you can see that they have the all-new supercomputer. I also have tools for ads, and if you scroll down, you can as well see they have all the top models ranging from ChatGPT image to all the way to Marketing Studio, which we are going to be focusing on in today's video. If you take a closer look at the generations, you can see that they all look so clean. No weird morphine, no distortion, and honestly, this doesn't even look like AI at all. They also have the likes of Seedance too, which also generates super realistic content. If you scroll down further, you can see that this isn't only an image and video generator. You also have different tools like Motion Control, Soul 2, and even Higgsfield Soul ID, all in one AI tool. Think of this AI as an all-in-one powerhouse for all your generations. Now, if you scroll up and click on Image, you can see, once again, that there are lots and lots of models for you to choose from, like the Higgsfield Soul 2, ChatGPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, and even Seedream and Grok. Honestly, this is really amazing. All you have to do is click on Create Image, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that I've already been testing out generating images with this, and it works so well. First thing you want to do is head over to the prompts box and type in your prompt. So I'm just going to type in a prompt like, realistic image of a young woman dressed in stylish streetwear in her bedroom. And for the model, I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro. They have lots of models for you to choose from, but I think this works best. For the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 9:16. And you can as well change it to quality, but I'm gonna leave it at 4K for that crisp quality look. I can as well choose the number of images you wanna generate. I'm just gonna take this down to 2 and click on generate, and our image is currently being generated. Now, you might be wondering, why are we generating this? But we're going to be using this image to make our ads on Marketing Studio, which we're going to be covering very soon. So just give your images a couple of minutes while they generate, and in no time, our images are done generating. And honestly, this did a really great job. You click on them, you can see that they both look good. Now, what's left for you to do is to select which one fits your vibe more. For this, I'm going with this one. You can click here and download it straight into your device. So now we have our image ready. What's left to do is to click here on Marketing Studio, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that there's a lot that you can do with this specific tool. Like, you have tools for a URL to add and even uploading an ad reference, and they all give you super high quality ad results. And now you might be wondering, how do I go about this? First thing I want you to do is head over to the Products tab here and click on it. You can either paste in a product here, or you can create manually, which I'll be doing. So just click on Create manually, and you'll be given the chance to upload a product image, which I'll do so right now. So our image has been uploaded, it's currently checking content, so just give it a bit, and once that's ready, just give your product a name. And for the description, I would say it's an energy drink. So just like this, I click on Create Product and select it right here. Now for the avatar, you can do the same. You have lots and lots of avatars to choose from, and trust me when I say lots, they are truly a lot, and they all look really good. You can choose any one of these for your ad, or you can click right here and upload the photo. But for this, I'm going to be heading back and selecting an avatar. So I think she looks just great for the job. So just click on Select Avatar, and all you have to do is paste in your prompt. Well, I have this prompt right here that I can simply just paste in, and you can as well choose the style. Whether you want a UGC video tutorial, unboxing, or hypermotion, you can choose lots and lots of variants with this tool. I'm just gonna leave it on UGC, and you can toy around with the settings, but I'm just gonna leave this as is and click on generate. And our video is currently being generated. Let's give it a couple of minutes while it generates. And I can't wait to see how well Higgsfield handles this. Okay, so our video is currently done generating. Let's take a look at what it has done.
If you need clean energy, this Silcia watermelon is my go-to. Sparkling, tasty, and I don't crash after. If you need clean energy, this Silcia watermelon is my go-to.
Sparkling, tasty, and wow. Isn't that great? No weird morphing, no distortion, just beautiful, beautiful AI video generating quality. And honestly, would even tell that this is AI at all. You can click right here to download it straight into your device, and that's it for the Higgsfield Marketing Studio. Truly, there are lots and lots of models you can try this with. You can use the hyper motion variants, which works really, really good as well, so make sure to check them out.